Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. All right, so today I want to talk about Hive. Hive is a social media platform that looks and functions like Steemit. Just in case you don't know what Steemit is, Steemit is a social media platform that is built on a blockchain that rewards you for posting. Right, so instead of posting your pictures or your articles or your thoughts on Facebook alone, you can actually post on Steemit and get rewarded. As you can see, I've been in on Steemit within the past 3 years ago. That's when I started, and I met and introduced someone to Steemit. Okay, yeah, that's me right there. You know what I'm saying? And I reached out to some guys. I wanted to teach them about Steemit and how they can actually post. This is Ifyokli. He's a very nice guy, and and the post made $3. Now let me ask you a question. You'll be making posts on most especially your non-business posts on Steemit. You know, you post your pictures. How much? Oh, sorry, on Facebook. How much have you been making? Yeah, no, $0, right? So you can actually do the same thing on blockchain-based social media, right? This is the guy that I posted this picture. It was an awesome and very enlightening meeting with you. Hopefully, blah 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 blah. Right. So what happens is that when you make a post on Steemit and people like your post, you can see 73 people liked this post and it generated $3.71. Now, assuming this post just made, let's say, $3 every day for the assuming I'm making 2 posts every day, or let's assume I'm making 4 posts every day, $33 each. Multiply that by 10 posts. You see, that means let's work with the worst case of approximately $10 each day times 31 days in a month. That's some good amount of money. But guess what happened to Hive? The community divided into two as a result of one guy, I'm going to talk about that later, trying to take over the Steemit blockchain, and they had to fork. It's called fork, Fork, fork the Steem blockchain and built and came out with Hive, right? So as you can see, people are making $300 per post, $200 per post, $190 per post, $117. Now imagine those amazing contents you've been making on Facebook, on Instagram. You can actually bring them here and make some extra passive income for yourself. You see, now don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say once you start posting, boom, you're going to start making this kind of amount. No, just the same way Facebook and Instagram works. You don't just open an account today and expect to have 1,000 views or 1,000 likes. No, it takes time. You build your community the more you create valuable content, the more you create your own community that engages and interacts with what you produce, the content you produce, the more feedback and likes you make. That's the same way it works for Hives, right? So you can make as much as $300 for each post. Now, if you're making $300 each for each post, multiply that by 31. That's some sizable amount of money, right? But of course, it will take a lot of work to get. I don't know what's wrong with my English this morning. Now let's check out my accounts, right? I just recently started using Hive. Now I didn't have to create another Hive account because Hive was forked out of our Steemit or Steem. Just in case you don't know what fork is, fork means to make an exact copy or a different copy from an original copy, right? So as you can see, I made a tiny amount of money here, tiny amount of money here, tiny amount of money here, tiny amount of money here. But this is way better than just posting on Facebook without any gains, right? Now, why am I making so little from my post? That's because I haven't been using my account the same way I was using it about 3 years ago. In fact, there was a time I even stopped. As you can see, this is 4 months ago. So I stopped being consistent, posting here. There was a time I didn't even post for that was before of course, what happened was that the community divided, and when the community divided, I had to stop using the platform. And my friends that were using the platform, you have to have your own community that vote your posts. My community that were voting or liking my posts left, but I'm starting to build all that back, to build the community. Now, if you check my Hive wallet, I have about $200 sitting in there that I currently don't need for any purpose. Now you can cash out this money at any time. And on Steemit, I think I have some money on Steemit. I have like $79 that I don't need for any reason. Now let's check. Now Steam has its own cryptocurrency, which is Steam. Hive also have its own currency called Hive. Now if you check on CoinMarketCap, you see Steam there. It has a price value of 0.2, and Steam has gotten to an all-time high of about $7. Now let's check out Hive. Now Hive is just 0.8, and Hive has not gotten to its all-time high. As you can see, the value just went up recently, right? So that means if you had bought Hive at this time, 0.1, and sold here, you would have made over 70% gain, right? So, well, that's it, guys. That's what I have for you. Now, if you want to know how to create an account, very easy. Just come over to this. This is hive.io, hive.io. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out. And you can actually create an account here. So you click join. Now, there are several ways you can actually create an account. So while that is loading, let me show you, just in case you want to buy Hive and maybe keep for the future. Hive is definitely going to grow, and they recently just got listed on Binance. So in case you want to buy Hive as one of your strategy for investing into the future, you can actually just come to CoinMarketCap, search for Hive, and click market pairs, and then you find the different markets that you have. Okay, CoinMarketCap used to have that year before. Okay, maybe I'll look for another way to get it. Once you click markets, you see the different places you can buy Hive. But maybe I'll do another video to teach you, to show you where you can buy Hive. Okay, Binance is an exchange. You can actually buy Hive on Binance. In case you don't have a Binance account, just check the description. You see a link to create a Binance account. All right, guys. So that's all I have for you today. So you need to start posting on this kind of social media. I'll do another video that will list the advantages of posting on blockchain-based social media. All right. Okay. What's happening to my internet? So that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like the channel. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. All right. So see ya.